Welcome to Lesson 8.4, Fractions of a Whole. Your essential question for this lesson is, how does a fraction name part of a whole? Let's take a look at our first problem. The first pizzeria in America opened in New York in 1905. The pizza recipe came from Italy. Look at Italy's flag. What fraction of the flag is not red? A fraction can name more than one equal part of a whole. This flag is divided into 3 equal parts, which are called thirds, and 2 of the parts are not red. So if 2 out of the 3 equal parts are not red, we say that 2/3 are not red. The names given to the numbers in a fraction are numerator and denominator. The numerator is the top number and it tells how many parts are being counted. The denominator is the bottom number and it tells how many equal parts are in the whole or in the group. You can count equal parts, such as 6, to make a whole. For example, you have 1 1/6 part, 2 1/6 parts, 3 1/6 parts, 4 1/6 parts, 5 1/6 parts, 6 1/6 parts. Since we are using 6 equal parts and we are counting all 6 parts, we can say 6/6 equals 1 whole, or 1. Fractions can be written in words or numbers. Let's try this. Write the missing word or number to name the shaded part. For letter A, I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. And I also notice that 2 of those equal parts are shaded. So my fraction is 2/6. Make sure that if you are asked to write the fraction in words, that you write the whole fraction in words. We don't want to mix numbers and words together. For example, I don't want to write 2/6. Okay, let's continue on to letter B. Letter B, there are 8 equal parts and 5 are shaded. And I can see that in the picture. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of all 8 shaded. So my fraction is 5/8. Moving on to letter C. Ooh, I see we have the fraction written in words. So it says 2/3. And in the picture I can see there are 3 equal parts and 2 of those parts are shaded. So I have 2 out of 3 equal parts, or 2/3. All right, we're on a roll now. Let's look at letter D. Letter D, I also see the fraction written in words at the bottom. It says 6/6 or 1 whole. Let's take a look at the picture. Ooh, I notice in the picture that there are 6 equal parts and all 6 are shaded. So, I have 6 parts shaded out of all 6 parts. Or I have the whole shape shaded. Let's take a look at a couple more problems before we depart. It says, write the fraction that names each part. Write a fraction in words and in numbers to name the shaded part. Let's first take a look at the picture of the triangle. If I count each part, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So we say that each part is 1/4. Notice that 2 of those fourths are shaded. So we are going to first write 2/4 in words and as a number. Now let's try the picture of the circle. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. So I say that each part is 1/6. Now let's look back and count out of those 6 parts how many are shaded. I see 1, 2, 3. So let's write 3/6 in words. And now let's write the fraction 3/6 as a number. That's all for today. Now time for me to go enjoy that wonderful pizza from the pizzeria.